Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to go over how to send a proposal on Upwork.com. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to find a job that you want to apply for, like this TikTok video editor for nature. So go ahead and click on that, and it'll bring up on the side information about the job. And over here in the top right hand, it'll say apply now. We're going to go ahead and click that button. And then it'll bring you to a screen that says that this proposal will cost 10 connects to send, and then it'll have all the job details below. You can click more to get the full gist of the job and then the skills and expertise required. And here you can choose between milestone and by project. Milestone breaks it up into smaller sections. By project, you would just get paid when it's over. This project would take less than 1 month, and you're going to enter a cover letter that shows your expertise and your qualifications for the job. And then you're going to have an option to upload or attach any documents, videos, anything like that that will help you show that you're a good candidate for the job. And then down here at the bottom it says send for 10 connects. You would click that. There you go. You would send a proposal for a job on Upwork.com. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below.